This tutorial shows you how to use image view. Then one of the mouse events, it calls setOnMouseEntered. Okay, make sure you copy Java package in front of FXL documents. Otherwise, it will complain class not found error. You may need to prepare three images. In my case, I will use three images of apple, orange, and strawberry. Then let me create one folder on the same project. I may create as an image. Then I just copy paste my image files. You can actually locate it, go to files, and under the project name, source directory, and there's one directory called image. Okay, let me open Scene Builder. Then I will add 3 image view from UI controls. I may use the same buttons and then the same label. But it seems like anchor pane looks quite small, so let me enlarge it. You can actually resize it, or you can just type it by yourself. So let me just go to layout and then preference, the prefer width and heights. I may change to double size. Okay, let me drag it down. Label you won't be able to see, so just select from documents and drag it out. So I will have a 3 image view. Okay, you may need to go down to left hand side. You can select it from documents. It's a lot easier to select it. Okay, let me go to image. Then this is actually on the same project name on the Netbeans project, and we just create the one directory called image. So same story, go to second image view and then select orange from image directory on the project name, then package name. Then the last one is strawberry. Okay, let me just quickly preview. What will happen is when I move mouse over apple, it's going to show me apple on the label, and then orange, and then strawberry. So the sample projects actually, when I click button, will say hello world. So pretty much that's all. Let me just name 3 objects called apple. So I will create as an image view. So image apple, imgApple, img orange. Then I will code it as img strawberry. Okay, for actual implementations, we are reporting to mouse events. So if we go down here, what we call is onMouseEntered. Okay, let me name it as handle apple image. I think that might be a straightforward. So let me go to orange. So I will say handle orange image. Then handle strawberry image. So basically, when I move mouse pointer on top of the image, it will actually return the value to labels. So you may consider it's a very simple children's game. saying that what is this for. So when teacher move the mouse pointer on apple image, and then one student say maybe apple or orange and strawberry, then you like to show them the character. So that's what we want to do. So let me label for label answer. The previous is just create as a label. So let me change the LBL answer. Then now you save it. Okay, now we make a new controller. So now you can see there are 3 image view objects and then the previous label. So you may need to change line number 38. We change to label to LBL answer. So let me change the LBL answer. So when we click the buttons, it's going to print it out hello world on label. Then it will say you click me on console. Okay, now we are going to implement handle Apple image. So basically it's straightforward. So when I move mouse pointer, it's now you can see mouse events. Then it will print Apple on label. Then here when we move mouse pointer to orange image, it will just print it orange on label. And then last one is obviously strawberry. So we are using one of the mouse events called setOnMouseEntered. Okay, I think that's all straightforward. Let's see. So it's going to construct the 3 objects using ImageView Class. Then we'll load 3 different images. So you may be able to see image of apple, orange, and strawberry. Then when I move the mouse pointer on top of apple image, it will print it out text message called apple. Then orange and then strawberry. Of course, that click me button still works. So it will print it out hello world on label, also click me on console. I think that's all. Thank you.